Hi, it's Laurie from Alncom. We're here today in collaboration with Dubfest to provide internet fibre throughout the show. It means basically all the traders have connectivity so they can trade freely.
Hi, I'm Katie. I am one of the organisers here at Mighty Dubfest. So we've teamed up this year with Alncom and we're so pleased to have them because they've been able to basically put fibre into the field, which is absolutely unheard of. Last year we had a huge problem with traders getting Wi-Fi, and that means no card sales, which just means people can't pay. So to work with such a local company just in Annex just been the perfect collaboration, and there's such a nice team from the Alncom lot. So we're in the 15th year now, and each year just gets bigger and better.
If I had to describe Dubfest in one word, it would be energising.
Electric.
Thrilling.
Absolutely cushy.
Friendly.
Awesome.
Energetic.
That was a few words, but cushy.
It's been a fantastic collaboration between us, Alncom and Dubfest. Very community focused. This is a lot of our customers come to this event, so it's a great experience for everybody.